Hello everyone and welcome in today's lecture, which is regulating and structuring the Algerian banking system according to the Monetary and Credit Law Part 2. So, the Monetary and Credit Council. Now, the Monetary and Credit Council shall be charged with performing the role of the monetary authority and relinquishing its role as a board of directors. Now, the Bank of Algeria and the Monetary and Credit Council is composed of members of the board of directors of the bank and two personalities chosen by virtue of their competence in economic and monetary matters, and they are appointed by virtue of a decree presidential. Now, the board holds 4 regular sessions under the chairmanship of the governor of the Bank of Algeria, who calls it for a meeting and sets its agenda. Now, the Monetary and Credit Council and meetings are required to be held in the presence of at least 6 of its members, and no advisor can be authorized to represent him in a meeting of the Council. The tasks and powers of the Monetary and Credit Council are as follows. They do ensure the issuance of money, determining the standards and conditions for the operations of the Bank of Algeria, determining, supervising, monitoring, and evaluating monetary policy, new savings and loan products, preparing the standards, functioning, and safety of the means of payment, defining objectives for the development of the different components of the money supply and loan volume. Now, what are banking and prudential supervision, or what is the banking and prudential supervision? The banking supervision اللي هي الرقابة المصرفية والاحترازية is generally meant as a set of rules, procedures, and methods that operate or that the central bank takes on banks with the aim of preserving the soundness of their financial position in order to ensure the formation of a sound banking system that contributes to advancing economic development, and it preserves the rights of depositors and investors. In this regard, and in implementation of the decisions of the Basel Committee, the Bank of Algeria issued regulations number 2 and 3 of 14 of November 2002, which includes internal control of banks and financial institutions, as stated in Article 3 of it. Now, a set of control measures, including operations control system, accounting regulation and handling information, risk and outcome assessment systems, and media documentation system. Now, the banking supervision authorities, according to the Monetary and Credit Law, are as follows. We have the Banking Supervision Committee, risk centralization, centralization of payment beams, anti-issuance of checks without balance. The commercial banks and financial institutions. Now, the Algerian banking sector has known several modifications and changes to its components since the succession of banking reforms that Algeria has known, as after the issuance of the Monetary and Credit Law 1090 and the amendments that have taken place since that time. The number of banks, financial institutions, and representative offices constituting this sector has become nearly 36 banks and institutions, and approved financial and representative office divided as follows. We've got 20 commercial banks, 9 institution or financial institutions, and 6 representative offices. That's all for today. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to write in the comment section below. And best of luck. See you later.